Bobby.
Good morning, Gianluca. How are you?
Good morning, Bobby. Yeah, I'm fine, thanks. Thank you.
Oops, sorry, I didn't have my headset
You?
on. I was walking with my laptop, and
Yeah, no
then
problem.
I have my laptop not docked. I use the speakers on my laptop, but when I dock it, I keep forgetting to put my headset on. I can't hear you, so sorry about that. Interesting stuff last night, huh?
Oh, no problem. Yesterday. Yeah, very interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, I'd like to apply
Oh,
if you
absolutely. I was
agree.
hoping you'd say that. I'm trying to find my page that I just had open. I think it was this one. Let me see.
Mhm.
No, that's not it. I have an email from them for today. Uh, let me try to find it.
Mhm.
Of course, I had it all set up, and then I changed browsers. Let's see. It's not that one. Not that one. Not that one. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna move this over and share my screen.
Okay.
So tonight is like the big kickoff, I guess, for the meeting. So let me
Mhm.
share.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
same
same,
hour.
same hour. Because I think I lost, but the Zoom link is the same.
No.
I've
Well, it
lost
doesn't
link,
matter
I
because
think.
can you see my screen? Where did I
Yes,
put
yes.
it? Here. So this is the email I got today. The Zoom link for the Sessions Founder Institute
Okay.
5 is this. It changed. So they sent an email out this morning saying that it changed. And so that there's 3
Okay.
tracks that they're going to send you in. And I'm not sure. I think we need to send them a letter. Let me get to my email and I'll show you the whole email. So this was the email that they sent. With the change, and it says to better ensure specialization for founders across different stages, we will split the program into 3 tracks. So these are the 3 tracks. Now, right now, I think we need the validation track. I'd like to start, looks like at what's the beginning. I don't know if it is the beginning, but it looks like it's the beginning. So I would like to do that first.
Yeah.
So then they have all these people, and I think these are the people who are you or us, like the people who are
Mhm.
applying, and it tells them what room to go in. We're not on this list. That's because I think we haven't really sent in the final paperwork, which is something I think we should do today. Because according to Peter, they'll take us up until next week, so there's really no hurry. Like
Mhm.
today is just like a hello, meet everybody kind of event. I cannot make it at 6 to 7:30 tonight. If I do, it'll be from a restaurant on my phone under the table. So
Okay.
just to let you
Okay.
know, I can't get out of a dinner I signed up for. So I will reach out and then I guess these are the people who will be talking. And I've already signed up to be a mentor. So I'm at the bottom of this list,
Mhm.
but I don't
Okay,
think
good.
it means, I think we need to be on this list, or at least you need to be on, we need to be on this list here.
Okay.
So I also, what did I do? Went back to the one email.
Mhm.
Where is it? Yeah, this one. So this is the program, and I don't think I've ever seen this before.
Mhm.
So this is saying the final application deadline is August 25th, which Peter said that it's actually next week.
Mhm.
So we can apply. And this is the curriculum, which I thought was like, I didn't even really see it. So, the kickoff is tonight. And then it starts on Wednesday nights, and Wednesday nights are great for me. So I can always make these meetings. So
Okay.
I think if that's okay with you, what are you like? I don't know if 6 o'clock at night is like, is that the middle of the morning for you? Like, what time is that for
Yeah,
you?
it's I think it's midnight because it's Los Angeles time zone
Three
is
o'clock.
like, yeah, 3 o'clock. It's 900 before my time zone, so I think it's midnight like yesterday.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah, like yesterday, so midnight.
okay, yeah, so it's okay.
Oh, good. God bless you. I'm sleeping at midnight. I'm up early, but I'm sleeping at midnight. So these are really really interesting topics each week. And I think that if we work the project through these topics, we're going to be really successful. Especially if we stress when we're talking to these founders and these entrepreneurs that we're agile, that we are just taking this first case for AI in enterprise, but our eyes are always on the future of AI in enterprise. So if we stick to our lane and say enterprise solutions for businesses and be B2B, I think we'll have a better chance of being successful than if we do B2C, which is business to like us to consumers. I think we should be selling to businesses rather than consumers, like entities. So if we keep that in mind and say, you know, we want to be agile. So like if another AI solution comes up, we want to offer that as well. So we can do that. And then the continued support in the post program. So if you're ready to apply, see, now it says I've been accepted. I have to write them an email. I'm not sure if I was accepted at, because that's the course curriculum. If I was accepted as a thing, I think our program got accepted, to be perfectly honest. Oh, here I am here. Yay.
Oh, okay.
So I am a mentor for the programs, which is fine. So what I also have a screen that I can sign up for office hours or sessions with different other cohorts. Like I could sign up for that game that guy was talking. That was interesting, wasn't it? All the other business ideas. I love that.
Okay.
And I didn't realize it was like a Shark Tank and they were going to throw you in like that. But it probably was good experience for you.
Yes.
Anyway, so I can do this today. Sign the I think we should both sign this if we can. I don't know. Okay, I'll send them an email telling them that I'm trying to do this so that you can be at the cohort today. I, again, cannot make it tonight unless it's like under the table at dinner. But I think I'm not missing any of the curriculum. I'm going to send you this link in the chat so that you have it. There you go. And I will try to get this figured out so that you are on the schedule for one of the rooms tonight.
Okay, so okay, first of all, the Zoom link is.
I put it on the wiki page.
Okay, yeah, I'm checking. Thank you. Okay. It's okay. That one, the first one.
Yeah,
perfect.
yeah.
So
they sent it this morning.
Perfect. So this is the same times, 3 o'clock, which midnight in my. Okay, perfect. And about you also showed me. Okay, that one. But what about the application? They ask us in general some pitch or some text, because I also checked out the another link you shared, which finish with a number 2567390, and it asks two text. One is the motivation reason, and another is the description. Yes, sorry. The question is how to apply. How can I
well,
apply?
yeah. So I think I started to apply for us,
Okay.
and that's why I think that we've gotten accepted. If you have any questions, here to help respond to email and receive for conference call. So I'm going to reach, because this is like basically they want us to pay, which I have no problem doing today. It's just it doesn't, there's no spot for my credit card or whatever, and I can't upload the agreement that we have to sign because I get this error. So I have to email them. So that's what I'm going to do when we get off the phone. Is I'm going to go back to this email from them and send it general and just say, we're excited to be a part of this. We got a link to this page. We want to move forward. We're having trouble signing the equity collective agreement, as well as, where to pay the fee. So I'll send that email out today. I'll copy you on it. And we'll see, how we can get you all set up for tonight's first meeting And just, whatever I miss, just please just, send me a message
Okay.
telling me what happened. Again, I think it's a lot of introduction, but we'll get ourselves we'll get you on this list before the end of the day, and hopefully we'll be in room C, because that's the validation track. They might think we're further along. And they, so it was so funny. I took everything I had inside me. I didn't have a choice because they didn't give me the option of unmuting myself. But when they were talking about how, the presentation wasn't like aesthetically pleasing enough, or whatever they were saying about it, I wanted to come in and say, yeah, that's because it was created 5 minutes ago by AI.
Yeah.
Like, we did not spend time on the presentation. We threw it together.
Yeah. Yeah, but suggestion that they give us right suggestions. I take note. Yeah, like a slide without text they don't want to read, and also add value, money, and also I write like no technical details. We will talk to CEO, CFO, and also the time to market, team members, kind of services. So they, yeah, suggestion. Yeah, it's right. But my idea is to create a pitch from scratch using Canva. If you agree?
Absolutely, that's where I got some of the pictures.
Yeah, if you agree, I
am new to Canva, so I just am learning the elements. I just learned how to do on that picture that was for our presentation. I just was learning the frames, how you can stick your own picture, like that. I thought was really neat, how you can like put a picture in there. So I did this one, and I put our pictures, so our pictures were round, so I'm just learning Canva. So if you know Canva and you want to use it, that's great. I love it. I'm getting to know it, to really be able to use it well. So
yeah, okay. I think there are different templates. Also, some pitch deck templates, and I'd like to start from that, from templates, and adding our schemas, some numbers, for example, because also they ask us to add numbers like we say we can save time. Users can save time, but how much time?
They want us to qualify those.
Yeah, also it's important to add some numbers. And
but I really liked this slide that you did. I just think that if we can simplify this, so even if, like, I mean, business owners are not stupid people. They're not engineers, and they're not computer scientists, but they're not dumb, and they don't want to be, so I agree with this one. No one's going to understand this schematic on a PowerPoint presentation, but I really liked your point on this one. Like, trying to find your information on lots of different pages is impossible. Here, you can just, ask a question, or maybe put a question mark there and like have an answer come out. I don't know, make it really simple. But I think this slide is very important to get your message, what we're doing across, why we're doing it. So I really liked this one, and I don't think it was too technical for people. I think this one is, you might want to put an animation. So you start with just this one, and then you bring this in as a, afterthought. But I liked this one. Again, this is too much information, but, I didn't know how else to, put what
lost connection. Sorry, Bobby.
Oh, no worries.
Yeah,
I was just saying.
When we were talking about the simplifying the slide.
Yeah, this one. So again, the information I think is really valid, that it get out there. That's why we're doing it. And I think this is the stuff that we're going to probably be picking apart and qualifying. The benefits, I added so many more benefits in the notes because there were good ones. And maybe this is the stuff that we're going to have to really dig in during this program and qualify. Swapnil's on the call, and I just want to catch him up real quick. I know you weren't on the call. I don't know if you listened to it or not, but we're applying the project to a Founders Institute, which will walk us through. And it starts tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 3 p.m. California, midnight, wherever Gianluca is. So you're more than welcome to join the call. We're joining this as a team, so everybody can come aboard and listen. So here is I think this is the curriculum. So tonight is the onboarding, and we've kind of been accepted. But we have to just finish with I think Gianluca and I are going to sign this collective agreement, and we're going to send in the money so that our team will be recognized tonight. And then tonight is just the kickoff for the onboarding, and the classes really start tomorrow night. So again, Swapnil, your help in this project has been invaluable. Hopefully we put you down. I know it was a little presumptuous of me. I put you down on the team without checking with you. I'm sorry if I did that.
Hey, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes. Hi, Gianluca. No, I absolutely like that. I did check it earlier as well, and I really appreciate you putting my name down there. I didn't have a time to do it myself, so.
Oh, no worries. I just, don't like putting people on a team without them saying they want to be on the team. Again, so we pitched this last night. Gianluca did a great job going over these slides. We created the slideshow 5 minutes before the event with an AI bot. So it was the one criticism they really had was that the slide was just too over. I mean, the graphics were just too much and too distractive. And they said that I agree with them here that this schema no one's going to look at on a presentation. It's too in depth. But I like this one that Gianluca did because it's right to the point. So Gianluca is going to take a pass, I guess. And I think that's one of the things that they're going to teach us is how to, do your pitch mastery, so to speak. So again, I wouldn't spend too much time. Do we pitch tonight? Immediately start onboarding by following guide process. You will learn how the program works, tips to get the most benefits, and details on. Yeah, so I don't think you're going to be pitching anything tonight.
Yeah, I'd like to work because in Italy now it's 3 o'clock, so I have about 9 hours before. So, and I can start. Yeah, there are different templates in Canva. So I'd like to. The idea is to have to take the Canva template and 3 or 4 slides. One is the schema that explains the system. One is the time, and another is the money. Okay, the other slides are to fill the presentation. Yeah, no more, I don't know, 6 slides on the presentation, but the most important slides should be 3 or 4, in my opinion.
Yes.
To explain our team and our ecosystem, Hyperledger, and also that slide that explains the system. As you show that slide, okay, I will use that slide.
Or this one?
Yeah, I think it's more technical. They talk that investor or in general CEO or CFO and so on, they are not interested in, but they are interested why you want to implement this company, this idea in general, which is the reason, which kind of problem you want to solve, and how much is important. How much is important your intervention, your work, and also about the time and money. I don't know. You want to spend 6.
We lost you.
And yeah, it's important, that one. I think it's very important to use that one, and also adding some, I don't know, numbers like for the implementation, we think we need 1 year. I don't know.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this I just threw together in. It's on the wiki page somewhere. Let me see. There's the wiki page.
Yeah, about money. One idea is to, for example, if we think that each developers can save 1 hour per week.
Yep.
The sum will be, I don't know, that amount of hours, and means company can save that month. And on the other hand, we can supply a service with and this is the price.
Yes.
For example.
So, and I think they'll help us build that structure. One of the things last night when they asked you the question of what's your like revenue stream coming from, I think the best answer to that right now would be we're a consulting firm. We'll teach you how to take this open source technology and make it your own in your own company enterprise. So we're a consulting firm. I guess that's because basically that's what we're aiming to do is help people, enterprises, B2B, put this in their enterprise solution. All right, so my to-do is to finish this step. So I'll copy both of you on the email to them tonight, today, to get this done. If we have to sign this, we'll sign it. I don't know how many signatures they need, whether it's 1, 2, or 3. And then I'll send that email out. Hopefully then we'll be on, where's the list? No, where's the list? We'll be on this list, hopefully in room C for validation. So yeah, I guess they just, because we didn't pay yet, they didn't put our names down, but so that's good. So we've been accepted. It says so right here.
Okay.
We just have to finish this this one step, and I'll do that, get that started this morning and see how it goes, and I'll let everybody know. And again, if you want to meet or summarize what we have to do before tomorrow night's meeting, again, that is actually the class. So I think tomorrow classes start. And they'll teach us how to build our vision and our mission. And I think that would be a great idea if you have the template picked out in Canva, so that when we work on our vision and mission, it can just go right on that slide.
Yeah, I will work on that, and I will share with you and other team on the LinkedIn this afternoon. For me, it's this morning for you.
Yeah. Well, no, it's this morning for me too. It's 9:30 though. So for you, it's what? 11:30, 12:30? No, 6 hours.
No, it's 6 hours. It's 15. Yeah, it's 3
in the afternoon.
Yeah, in the afternoon.
Yeah. So I'm just getting up. I have only had 1 cup of coffee so far. So I'm about to start my day. So yeah, I will get this email out as soon as I can, and then you guys will go to the thing tonight, and we'll regroup, I guess, same time tomorrow morning, just to touch base on anything we need before the meeting Wednesday night. And then they're just every Wednesday night. So it's not going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday like it's been.
Yeah, we have a date each Wednesday. Okay.
Yeah, and then it's kind of like be what we do, where you meet the Wednesday, you kind of do your stand up, and then you have the week to work on what you do on Wednesday night. So that'll be a nice pace.
Okay. Just to correct, I think I can spend more than 20 hours per week in that project if they accept us. So I think we can work.
Absolutely, me too. Again, once this mentorship's over, I'm waiting to hear about some writing jobs, but right now I'm like open. So this is great timing for me too.
Okay, thank you very much.
And their office is up the street from me. It's 20 minutes car ride for me, so that's great. I can attend in person, which might help. So I'm looking forward to this. I think this is I'm very excited about this. I haven't been this excited about a project in a really long time. I think this one can go really far. So let's keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully the magic will happen.
Thanks a lot, Bobby.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Bye, everyone.